Integral of 3x. Answer is 3/2 x squared plus c. Derivative of 14x. Answer is 14. Integral of 2. Answer is 2x plus c. For f, x equals c superscript 2. Is the function continuous at z equals 4? Answer is yes. Add matrices. 4 plus 1. Answer is 5. Limit as x approaches 2. Of x superscript 3 plus 2x. Answer is 12. Limit as x approaches 4. Of x superscript 3 plus 2x. Answer is 72. Derivative of 65. Answer is 0. 2 times 4 equals. Answer is 8. Integral of 3x cubed. Answer is 3/4 x to the power of 4 plus c. 5 times 4 equals. Answer is 20. Derivative of 12x. Answer is 12. Add matrices. 8 plus 4. Answer is 12. Derivative of 2x to the power of 6. Answer is 12x to the power of 5. Derivative of 7x squared. Answer is 14x to the power of 1.